phambukile uyazi ukuthi yena bamenzeni esiphakhe because umthombeni ubuye washo wathi bebanjela meeting abantu bakaMathele.
Ngibona ukuthi akenze umsebenzi. Ngibonga ukuthi bekade ngizizwe nawo sengiyavuya.
Who does that?
Yes, abayizwa lento engisho lesasokuthi bacabanga ukuthi ngiqamba amanga ngithi
Uyaphila.
okay ngiyaphila kodwa
Nasakhona mthombe ngiyakwazi phela. Alright wena. Uzenza itekulayo.
impilo yahamba. Uma ngabe ungekho umzabo engwenza umusizwa.
Iyenze kuGoli.
Yo shiba sewazi wathi wena ngeke ngingiza ngikhuluma.
Wawufeda nje.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, and so we've just seen the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu, and you guys tell me, what are your thoughts in the comment section down below? What do you guys think about this new episode and the new season? Anyway, so you guys, I want us to talk about a few things that happened on Uthando Nesthembu. First of all, we'll talk about Umacele. Umacele is out here saying that she is being blamed for everything that happens to family day. Like, I don't think so. Like, I completely disagree with her, because it seems like Umacele is the only one, like, when it comes to the family dynamics, she is the only one that has been like sticking up for Usamseleku. You know, she accepts wife number 5, Umakwela. At the same time, she like, I don't know, I feel like who is supposed to, like, when it comes to this conversation, Umacele is being blamed for everything. Like, this is supposed to be Uma Khumalo saying all this. Well, I'll come to that, but now let's talk about it. So, Umacele was saying that before Usamseleku married Umakwela, he went to Wamangwawe and told them that he was getting another wife. He also went to Wama Khumalo and told them he was getting another wife. He also went to Umacele and told him he was getting another wife. Who else? Also went to, Kwamayeli to meet Mayelin's family and told them he was getting another wife. So now here is the thing. Umacele is saying, it is said that ngesikhathi eya kwaMacele, that is when he started to get sick. That is when his sickness became like, remember on the previous season, which is season 8, Mr. Mselego was sick and they were even like panicking, thinking that he was like going to die, but he didn't die because he's still around. Now let's go back to the first episode. Now, speaking of the first episode, yeah, that is what she was saying, Umacele, and it seems like she was having a good time at her place. She was having a good time with her people, Abagwacele, and yeah, and they were feasting and everything. Now, welcome. Let's talk about this situation in Uma Khumalo. On episode 1, we see Uma Khumalo sesukile kwa Mzumbe. Is it? Sesukile Mzumbe, and it is alleged that she is staying with her family. Uma Khumalo was done with Usamseleku, but like it seems like she's just angry at the fact that they have married wife number 5. Is it wife number 5 or wife number 6? Yeah, wife number 5, Umakwela. And like, she doesn't approve Umakwela, she doesn't like Umakwela, like she wants nothing to do with Umakwela. Even Mr. himself says so. Uma Khumalo is now becoming like, she wants to wear the pants. With that being said, Uma Khumalo is said to be like also spoiling the other ladies. For example, Uma Khumalo said she accepts Umakwela and everyone was cool with Umakwela. Then Uma Khumalo was like, no, Mina, I don't want Slinga and Funinde Ehlangana Umakwela. And everyone is going back to Umangwabe. They wanted nothing to do with Umakwela except for Umacele. Of course, Umacele, there's an episode where Umacele goes out with Uma Khumalo to this lodge or a retreat or something where they go to a spa and get massaged. Now, coming back to her, Uma Khumalo is said to be the one that is like causing the whole family to be disrespectful. Okay, and at the same time, Uma Khumalo has left Wayangaki Gobo, and at the moment, Mr. Mselego has sent his brothers to go and fetch Uma Khumalo, speak on his behalf. And then we saw on the next episode that was gonna happen. Ukuthi, well, Uma Khumalo uyayidela kwaMseleku, and whether she likes it or not, she has to go back home. Hence Uma Khumalo akayindawo. Now we also saw Mr. Mseleku ehleli loMpilo, like as if they are here to discuss something serious. And apparently, I was seeing the tabloids first. No, I didn't watch this episode before. Like, I was on the internet and I didn't even know like it was premiering yesterday. I mean, it was on Wednesday. And then I was like, what is happening here? People are saying Uma Khumalo kumele azalelwe umntwana below. And I'm like, wait a second. I know there's something like that in the culture where like if a sister cannot, have children, her sister goes in her place and gets pregnant and then takes that baby, gives it to the sister, like, so this child to be considered her child. I think it was said that was it Umacele was supposed to give one of her children to Uma Khumalo, but Umacele refused. Yeah, I think I heard something like that. And also it's common, like, when a couple, back then, when a couple couldn't conceive children, then they would have like relatives. It's part of the culture. Like, it's complicated, the African culture. The one they call barbaric, but like, it's the culture after all. So now I'm like, what is happening? So are they implying what Umseleku is supposed to sleep Domtanake in order to have Umtanake on behalf of Uma Khumalo? Like, I was confused. Like, it just didn't sound right to me. It, not to mention, it didn't even sound ethical. Like, what was going on? Like, Uma Khumalo is supposed to what? No ways. Anyways, let's go on. Let's move on. Now, so I sat down and watched the episode carefully. So it's like Mr. Mseleku asks for Umpilo to like have grandchildren. I still don't understand it, guys. So if anyone watched this episode, like, please comment in the comment section. Try to explain what he actually meant. But it was being said Mr. Umpilo is supposed to have children, like to have grandchildren, in order to save almost Uma Khumalo. I was really trying to wrap my head around it, but at least it was better than what I thought it was going to be, like Uma Khumalo being the one that is pregnant. I mean, Umpilo being the one that is pregnant on behalf of Uma Khumalo. Like, it was, I didn't even want to imagine it. Now that we've got that out there, Umpilo is just feeling some type of way about this. Like, she's talking about, okay, what about my life? It turns out Umpilo just changed her surname to Mseleku, and now, a lot is about to happen. She's supposed to have that ceremony, welcoming ceremony, and now she's being asked to do all these tasks. Remember, Umpilo said she just wants to live her life. She just wants to live her life, okay, freely, without any. Anyways, there was also something that Mr. Mseleku brought up, that people are complaining that he spends more time with boys instead, more than he does with the girls, okay? And Mr. Mseleku was saying, no, it's not the case. He likes giving boys more responsibilities than girls, so that is how it comes across as if he's spending more time with the girls more than the boys. More time with the boys more than the girls. So yeah, that was it for Utharo's Temple. Guys, tell me what you think in this comment section down below. Oh, of course. Remember, Mr. Mseleku bought those houses in my suburbs. That also did come up with one of the brothers saying, why did you buy a house in the suburbs? Like, umuzimele ube munye abantu bewe ekhaya eliyi-one, like kube kungabi yinto yokuthi like you are helping your wives to buy houses. And that is the same reason why abafazi bakho bekubalekile. That is the same reason why they left you, okay? And he was saying that, well, since the wives are allowed to work, he asked Mr. Mseleku this question: have you ever asked money, like your wife's salary? And then Mr. Mseleku was like, no, I don't bother, like whatever happens to it, that's not my business. And then that's when the other brother was like, okay, if that's the case, then instead of you buying those houses, those are the houses that are supposed to, that's the money that is supposed to be buying the houses, not your money. Owakho umuzi awubemunye eMzumbe. And it's also being said that uMakhwela is the one also ehlala emzini omkhulu eMzumbe, is the youngest wife, I guess. So now guys, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. I think I've been speaking for too long now. I gotta get used to this because this is what I chose. Now, yeah, I know it's a little bit exhausting. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below, especially the one of Umpilo having children on behalf of Umakhumalo. Do you? Why? Yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you on the next episode next Wednesday, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts about this whole situation. What do you guys think? Okay, and how is season 8 so far? Okay, I would like to. And of course, one more thing, don't forget to comment, comment, and also subscribe. While on our way to 3K subscribers.